Hello and welcome to Access Sportsnet Lakers. I'm Chris McGee. Joining me, NBA Iron Man, three-time champion for the Lakers, AC Green, former NBA and college assistant coach, Dave Miller. And the Lakers get the win against the lowly Philadelphia 76ers. They actually trailed after each quarter leading into the fourth, but they held them to just 12 points. They got great performances by Ed Davis defensively, and Jeremy Lin was awesome offensively.
Never quit. Tell of two halves, what can you say? They came out with energy, boom, second half. I loved it, Coach. What about my man?
Well, Chris said it exquisitely. I mean, when you looked offensively, it was Jeremy Lin. Just overall floor game was maybe the best of the season. Ed Davis was so disruptive. But if you remember at the half, I gave you a couple prescriptions of what they needed to do. Number one was turnovers, and they were able to come out and they didn't turn the basketball over in the second half. The next was assists. When you look at the 76ers, they had 15 assists, only had 6 in the second half, and they went to the free throw line, Chris. That was going to be huge. They went to the free throw line once in the first half and then 20 times in the second half for 17 points. That was the difference in the game.
I've never said anything exquisitely before, so thank you, Coach, for giving me that fantastic compliment. Now we head back to Staples Center. Jeremy Lin with Mike Trudell.
All right, thanks, guys. Well, Jeremy, you had it going tonight, man. 29 points and only 16 shots. How did you feel like you got into such a good rhythm?
Just trying to attack. One thing I will say is Ed Davis, man, in there patrolling the paint, getting all the stops, and then us getting the rebounds, and then we're out. So that's the way we want to play. It was a lot of fun.
That was the key, especially in the fourth quarter. You mentioned with Ed, Sixers only shot 4 for 22. I think he had 4 blocks all in that period. What was so effective about him and the defense in general?
He's active. He plays hard on the defensive end. He's all over. He talks, and Booz did a good job of being in the right place. We just felt like the first 3 quarters or 2.5 quarters were pretty dry, so we want to come out with some energy.
Hey, you and Ed have had some consistent effectiveness together since the preseason when you played together. Screen roll on one end and then kind of in transition. How has that developed between the two of you?
He's always been like that, just setting screens and rolling hard, and it makes it easy when he does that. He puts so much pressure on the defense just by rolling. It doesn't even have to be him getting the ball. So, I'm thankful. I'm thankful to be able to play with Ed. I love playing with them, and I'm thankful to God for this win. We needed this win. It's fun.
Yeah, it's a final thing for you because wins have been few and far between this season, but important to get one before you leave on your final long trip of the season, your 5 games coming up.
Yeah, absolutely. On the road, you never know what can happen. It's really tough, so we want to make sure that we protect home court, and we felt like this was one that we needed to get.
Jeremy, thanks for the time, man.
All right, no worries.
All right, guys, Jeremy Lin, big night scoring tonight, plus 5 assists and 5 rebounds to go with those 29 on 16 shots.
Thank you so much, Michael. Let's get you back to Staples Center for the highlights. Lakers taking on the Philadelphia 76ers.